Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Today's class question number here 19. Show that the function defined by g of x is equal to x minus, here it is greatest integers function. Okay, here is discontinuous at all integral points. Okay, you have to show that here it is discontinuous at all integral point. Here this function is nothing but greatest integers less than or equal to x. Okay, here greatest integers का मतलब function is nothing but if you take 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, then here it will become 0. Okay, greatest integers are less than equal to x. Okay, next if I take 0.7 or 0.8 or 0.9, then here it will become 1. Okay, like that. Okay, greatest integers are less than or equal to x. Okay, here it is x, therefore it will become 0. Okay, therefore my given function is question number 19. Here it is very important question. Here g of x is equal to x minus greatest integer function. Okay, here you have to satisfy left hand limit, right hand limit equal to f of a. Okay, here I am taking my left hand limit. Okay, we can take any values. Okay, here therefore I am taking, let k be any real numbers. Okay, any real numbers you can take. Okay, so that I am taking let k, therefore here limit for left hand limit x tends to k minus. Okay, here k minus because here my limit is left hand limit. Okay, we have to choose just less than. Here if 0 is my function, then I have to choose minus 0.9, like that. Okay, therefore here limit x tends to k. In the place of f of x, here my function is g of x, therefore we have to substitute x minus greatest integers function. Okay, therefore in the place of x we have to substitute k. Here first of all, now you have to apply the limit individually. Okay, for first term here limit x tends to k minus x, for this term here limit, next minus limit x tends to k minus, here my greatest integer function. Okay, now you can apply the limit. Okay, here k minus for greatest integers less than or equal to x. Okay, therefore here we have to take k minus 1. Okay, if you apply here minus k plus into minus, here minus k, minus into minus plus. Okay, therefore here minus k and plus k cancel each other, therefore 1 is my left hand limit. Okay, for right hand limit, here limit x tends to k plus just greater than 0, 0.1, 0.2. Okay, like that. Okay, here g of x, therefore limit x tends to k plus, here x minus greatest integer function. Okay, therefore here limit, you have to apply the limit here. Okay, limit x tends to k plus x minus limit x tends to k plus greatest integer function. Okay, here now you can apply the value of x, here k, therefore k minus here greatest integer function for greater than. Okay, here for less than you have to take k minus 1. Okay, but here you have to take only k, therefore k minus k here equal to 0. Okay, therefore we have said already, because if you choose 0.1 or 0.2 0.3 you will get 0. Okay, therefore for greatest integers here you will get same k, but here it is not case. Okay, here for greatest integers here less than or equal to x, so that we have choose k minus 1. Okay, therefore here left hand limit not equal to right hand limit, therefore here it is discontinuous at all integers integral points, because we have taken, let k, here k be any real numbers. Okay, at every point of k here it is discontinuous. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 19. Okay, next question number 20. Here is the function defined by f of x is equal to x squared minus sin x plus 5, continuous at x is equal to pi. Okay, here given question number 20, f of x is equal to x squared minus sin x plus 5. Okay, here continuous at x is equal to pi. Okay, you have to check whether here it is my function is continuous or discontinuous. Okay, solution, here x is equal to a, here it is at point, here you no need to check the left hand limit and the right hand limit and equal to f of a, because here it is not in the points. Okay, here in the angles. Okay, here it is not in the integers. Okay, therefore here you have to apply in general term, limit x tends to a, f of x is equal to f of a. If it is both are equal, then here it is continuous. Okay, I am taking first LHS, limit x tends to pi, here in the place of x a is equal to pi. Okay, therefore limit x tends to pi, f of x is equal to limit x tends to pi, in the place of f of x my function is x squared minus sin x plus 5. Here now I am substituting the value of x, here pi is my value, therefore pi squared minus sin pi plus 5, therefore sin 0 0. Okay, sin n pi 1 2 3 4 up to n pi, here it is 0, therefore here it is 1 pi, therefore pi squared minus 0 plus 5, therefore pi squared plus 5. Okay, it is my answer. Next, f of a here is nothing but pi. Okay, a is nothing but pi, here f of pi is equal to, in the place of x you have to substitute the pi, pi squared minus sin pi plus 5, here pi squared, here sin pi is 0, minus 0 plus 5 equal to pi squared plus 5. Okay, here limit x tends to pi, f of x is equal to f of pi equal to pi square plus 5. Both are equal. Therefore, here it is, my function is continuous at x is equal to pi. Okay, here is the function is defined by f of x is equal to x square minus sin x plus 5 continuous at x is equal to pi. Okay, check whether the given function is continuous or not. Here we have proven that here it is continuous. Okay, I hope you all understood the question number 20. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Dhanyavad.